Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Today we will learn how to change Google Sheets border color. So let's get started. At first you have to open your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Now we can see here many document or data. Now here a column or table and added the border is black color. Now you want to change the color of the border, select your range. Now I am select my range, then go to the top and select the border option, and here the border color option. Now you can see automatically selected the black. You can change the color. Now I am make red, then click the all border option, and we can see we change the border color easily. You can change again. Select the border color option and choose your color. Now I'm select the dark magenta 2, then click all border option, and we can see we change the color easily. Otherwise you can change the thickness of this border. Go back again and change the thickness and click all border. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video easily. Thanks for watching.